Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Marcus Invest Review My Usage Experience. Marcus Invest Review My Usage Experience offers investment portfolio analysis and personalized recommendations based on user-provided data. Its main purpose is to help individuals better understand their investment holdings and make more informed decisions. The target audience is likely individual investors who want a clearer picture of their financial situation. Key features likely include portfolio tracking, risk assessment, and personalized investment suggestions. Their website provides details on their methodology and pricing. A key benefit is the claimed ease of use, presented as accessible to even those without extensive investment knowledge. They emphasize transparent pricing with no hidden fees, although specific pricing details are found on their website. They don't seem to boast a specific technology beyond a user-friendly interface, but their claim is to provide clear and actionable insights. Availability is worldwide as it's an online service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Marcus Invest Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply created an account, linked my brokerage accounts, which was surprisingly straightforward, and within minutes, I had a comprehensive overview of my portfolio. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard presented key metrics like asset allocation, risk level, and projected returns in a clear and visually appealing manner. I particularly appreciated the what-if scenario tool that allowed me to simulate the impact of various investment decisions. Performance-wise, the service was fast and reliable. Data updates were almost instantaneous. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful and detailed answer. One of the pros was definitely the easy-to-understand reports. It really demystified my investment landscape. A minor drawback was the limited integration with international brokerage platforms. I had to manually input some data. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Marcus Invest Review My Usage Experience. It's a helpful tool that has significantly improved my understanding of my investments and helped me make better decisions. That's my overview of Marcus Invest Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.